Tell me about where you are.
At the hotel.
Can you show me around?
If we hold on this here.
Show me around. What's here?
Pen. Diggity pen.
What's here? Who can show me what rooms there are?
This room. And this.
That's not a room. Allie, can you show me your room?
I'll show you my room.
Can you guys show me your room?
Yeah, come on. Follow me. I'm taking a powder. Daddy! Oh, no, wait! You should put this on.
Where are we?
On the towel.
And what's this room? Is one of those beds for you? Which one's Allie's?
We have to get a polo. We have to get a polo.
Allie, can you show me where's your bed?
There.
Show me. Go over and show me.
This bed is little.
That little bed is for the little girl?
Yeah, 'cause
So does that mean the big bed is for who?
you guys.
Well, we get the biggest bed, but who gets this big bed?
Me.
You? Are you big enough?